Hi YouTube, in this short video I'm going to give you the top 3 online investment scams in 2023. I'm also going to mention where they are from and how much they scammed in chronological order, beginning with the third one all the way down to the first one. Okay, that is the top on the list. All right, so let's begin. Now the third on our list is the AAS. Okay, it is the afriq arbitrage trading system. These guys made away with a whooping $854,416. In terms of naira, it is over 590 million naira. And just to tell you that this business originated from Nigeria. Okay, now let's look at the second on our list. The second on our list comes through what is called a meme coin. There are the cadly.io. These guys made away with a whooping 1.2 million US dollar. Okay, now according to Miss Research, these guys came from 2 countries, that is on research Singapore and China. Okay, now let's look at the first on our list. Now, the first on our list, which remains the top online investment scam in 2023, is almighty mtfe. Okay, mtfe stands for the Metaverse Foreign Exchange, right? And these guys made away with a whooping 1.81 billion USD. Okay, and according to research, these guys came from Canada, right? For lessons learned, never deposit money on any website or give your money to anyone with claims of getting a return on investment. Okay, also never use your personal login details or same login details for all websites. Okay, now if you feel that there are other top online investment scams we did not mention on the list, please tell us in the comment which date this top online investment scam crashed. Tell us the exact amount or the estimated amount that was stolen from investors, and then also tell us where this online investment scam is from. Okay, then we're gonna update others about this and then make sure things like this doesn't happen to users on the internet. Okay.